Welcome to qasimcad YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change object or clothes color in Adobe Photoshop. Open your desired image, select Quick Selection tool in the toolbar. Take time and select the area that you want to change the color. Go Hue and Saturation and then check the Colorize checkbox. And do just the bars with your desired color. After that, select the mask, click the brush tool, make sure selected color is black and erase the unwanted area. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any question.